Students, this is Dr. Bill Ziegler, your principal. My heart broke and I was angered and outraged as I watched and listened to George Floyd cry out that he can't breathe as he took his last breath. The total, blatant disregard for human life is morally wrong and horrendous. We all need to value and protect the life of every person and be courageous enough to act when it is in jeopardy. As Dr. King reminded us, injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. Whatever affects one directly affects all indirectly. These recent tragic events remind us of the work that we still must do in building an inclusive, culturally responsive, and equitable school community. Join me and our faculty, staff, students, parents, and entire Pottsgrove community as we stand in solidarity against any and all acts of racism, disrespect, and inequitable treatment of persons of color. Our differences and diversity make us stronger. Pottsgrove, we are stronger together.